I'm Amanda Radstake. I'm working for Global Infrastructure Basel Foundation. So we're a Swiss NGO, and we are co-leading Work Package 6 on investing in climate resilient developments.
And I am Oihana Luque. I'm working in icatalist, which is an environmental consultancy working on adaptation to climate change. And we are co-leading the Work Package 6 with the IB.
So the focus of our work package is really on steering investment into nature-based solutions, and we are doing that in a way that the organizations that we are working with, so icatalist, the Institute for International Sustainable Development, so ISSD, and GIB, we have our own in-house methodologies that we are using to conduct pre-feasibility studies, we are a business case, but also mapping out funding and financing mechanisms, and then with the ultimate goal to set up bankable projects. And we call it in the NATALIE project, we call this like the investment bundle.
Also, for the stakeholders to understand that is, like, they know of course that the product have to be bankable, but to know how to do it and to let them with some tools and competency, I think also is important, one of the objectives.
I think so. Well, the key milestones, so as a work package, we are not that far yet progressed for the deliverables and the milestones, but what we did in the first year was really having bilateral conversation with the different case studies on, okay, what are your needs, especially what are your financing needs, and how do our tools best can help and support the needs of the case studies. And then we had our very first workshop in Gran Canaria with the local stakeholders, where we also try to map, okay, what are the main challenges, the main hazards, and from a perspective also from finance. So back in June, we had our very first Work Package 6 workshop in Gran Canaria with the local stakeholders, where we discussed with several beneficiaries. Like we had like the banking sector, we had like a hotel chain and other business sectors. On, okay, what do you see that is actually the main challenge for your organization?
And also we have also done some, like, we are organizing some workshop in the other case study where we implement the tool. So with the Canvas, so one of the tools of the Work Package 6 in Tenerife, and we also will organize one in Latvia and also in Romania. So,
yeah, I think like, yeah, indeed what Oihana said, like also in the coming year, so year 2 of NATALIE project, we will really go further with the data collection with all 3 tools, additional workshops, questionnaires, and actually like on coming Thursday, also with Gran Canaria, we are going to meet with several financing stakeholders to talk about the different mechanisms for potentially financing nature-based solutions.
So first of all, the financing, there is no financing mainstream of the NBS, so it's quite innovative. The NBS are not innovative, but we have to find an innovative way to finance this, because one of the things that we know with the NBS, there are a lot of co-benefits, and so we have to take into account when we talk about financing this solution. And so what is important, if we want to upscale and the NBS, we have to, of course, focus on the financing mechanism.
Yeah, I think it's like what you mentioned. It's also about a piece of creating awareness in the financial communities. We also see that a lot is still focusing on public financing, which is one of the way to finance. But we are also going to look at private finance, or maybe even a combination of public and private finance. But all depending on what is the best, let's say, fit in the local context.
Exactly. It's not just funding, and we have to think about public-private partnership. This is like, it's existing, but maybe we have to really try to implement this with the NBS.